Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, in the Bitcoin video yesterday we highlighted that we should see a further decline. This seems to materialize now. The idea was that Bitcoin topped only in a B wave, even though we actually reached the target that I did outline on this way up. I didn't realize until late yesterday. Remember that we talked about the target of 36 to 38K. If we get a breakout and make one more high, and actually it reached exactly 36K. So I didn't realize that until yesterday, but it really did reach 36. Yeah. So it's quite funny. I absolutely didn't realize, but it's not the right structure to count it as a wave 5 complete that we were waiting for. For me, that's just a high B wave. And we're now coming down in the C wave. And that has been the explanation in the last video as well. With a few levels to watch that I can repeat now. So if we assume that we are in a bullish trend, that we are in an uptrend, we count this move, which topped on the 24th of October, as a third wave. We count the move that's happening here as a corrective ABC structure with an overshooting B wave, which topped yesterday at 36K. So that means the price is now likely coming down in wave C of 4. So this was an overshooting B wave. They often happen in a wave 4. As I said, we reached target. I mean, I could technically say that this was, we had it before with a smaller wave degree, where I would have counted this as a wave 5. That would be valid as well, but the move down, I think it looks more like a C wave. We will see. We will see. Anyway, important is that we're still in an uptrend. I see the current decline as a pullback in an overall uptrend with the following levels to watch. They are unchanged from yesterday, basically. So we've got the 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension level at $33,845. That's a key level to watch. And I mean, I don't have a very good sub-wave structure, but it could be that we have 5 waves down. We'll see. The correction doesn't end until we have a small impulse to the upside. But the idea is that we go down a little bit lower into support. So the first level to watch, 33,845. Then the 1-2-3-6 extension at 33,330, 33,020, and an absolute key level to watch down there at 32,511. That's the 1.618 extension. These would be the next key levels to watch. However, we have further support down lower at 31K and 29,900, which is going to be relevant. To be honest, I would actually need to move that back technically a little bit, because if we really count this as a high B wave, I have to measure it all the way up to the third wave, which was here at around 35,160. So let's leave it where it was before. So that gives a support at around about 30.6K and 29.5K. But the first level of support, or the first range of support, is here. And we will watch if we can find some support in this range. But at the moment, the decline is simply in line with previous forecasts. We were watching for a move up to 36 to 38K. That actually happened. And now we're coming down deeper into support. So we'll see how that materializes further. It all is embedded in an overall wave count that's bullish. Only, and I have to say that again, only as long as we're holding the lower support range. So 29,550 is key support. Ideally, it doesn't even break below 30,620. Now, don't mistake these, don't mistake this support box down here with targets. They are not really targets. Target levels or Fibonacci projections I gave you up here, okay? That means ideally we turn around here. It can always extend lower, then this support area will come into play. Would still be bullish, but a little bit more questionable. Obviously the bullish scenario would be challenged, but below 29,550, yeah, we will have to probably look at something more bearish. Now let's take a look at the daily chart for Bitcoin, which also hasn't really changed at all. So let's open that. So yeah, looking at the daily chart, we have a 1-2 setup that's unchanged, but the idea is that currently this wave 4 is playing out here, okay? That actually wave 3 topped here A, B, and the wave 4 is unfolding now. And then we should get a wave 5 into the region between $38,270 and $43,000. Yeah, that's just a quick update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.